Well, this is what happens when you drive down a road that they're doing construction on.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
Well, this is what happens when you drive down a road that they're doing construction on. God damn it. Yeah, both sides.
On a lone rider's van, a road less traveled through America's heart, spreading hope and value with a bike and a van. From sea to shining sea, he rides for diabetes where every mile's free. In cities and towns, he makes new friends, each face a story, a bond that transcends. His van and his bike, his spirit so wild, through rain and shine, his journey unfurled. From coast to coast, he spreads his light, a lone rider.
About perfect timing. Man, that road got this filthy. At least I knocked all that shit off.
Speaking of mind, for diabetes, he fights side by side. Unity and hope.
All right. Nice that I found a car wash.
At every ride. Past deserts and mountains, through valleys and plains, he shares it.
Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at the Yorktown Memorial Hospital that's haunted here in Yorktown, Texas. Very cool. Yeah, it's not a very big hospital, but it's definitely a hospital, especially the entrance. They got no trespassing signs all over the place. It looks like it has two different wings going from left to right here. And this is the sign here to find out where you do your booking and all that other stuff. I will have the links down below where you can contact this place. It's pretty interesting. It cost $40 on the website to schedule a booking, but I found out it wouldn't let me purchase just one ticket. It was requiring 2 tickets, and I don't want to pay $80 to just take a look at this place. I would have done 40. And also they're having to require to do memberships to get around the city ordinance and stuff like that. Found that quite interesting. But I would like to go in here. I may have to schedule a time at some point to take a tour here, preferably in the daytime. The other thing that they also offer is you can spend the night here, which is, I don't think something I really want to do. Now, David with the Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas has put this as an alternate stop on the tour. so you can actually get a point for stopping here and getting a picture. Which, oh, they got some crosses over here. Oh, maybe for protection? I don't know, maybe. Very cool and very kind of scary, kind of. Not that I believe in ghosts or anything. I'm sure I'll get some comments on that. And another marker on the building here. And this is the right wing of the hospital. And we'll walk over here and check out this side. At least it's pretty cool to check out on the outside. But I'm one of them kind of people that like to go inside buildings like this and check them out. So, got to figure out a time to do that. Let's go check on the back side of this. Well, I'm here on the left wing of the hospital. On the side here, they got a bunch of vines here on the fence, so you really can't see anything over here. There's a door over there. And continue walking over here to the back. Pretty big backyard they got here. Kind of a clear spot to take a look. Go further around to the back. This looks like the back side of the west wing of the hospital. Got a bunch of trees lining this property. We'll go down further here. There's the back side of the main part of this hospital. We'll go check out the right wing of this. This looks like out here, well, maybe it's not a park. It's just empty stuff. Well, they got a helicopter pad out here. Yeah, helicopter pad. Well, little box over there probably runs the lights and stuff here if they're still working. That looks like used to be an RV park over there. Yeah, it looks like they got a RV in there. It looks abandoned too. And that's the right side of the wing there. Yeah. Well, that's pretty darn cool. About all I can do without going inside. I think this is pretty darn cool, so I wouldn't go out of your way to come check this out unless you sign up for a tour. That would be pretty darn cool. And I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of somebody and do maybe just one person ticket, or find somebody else to go with me that's split the cost. Because I would consider 80 bucks plus $5 for the membership to be pretty damn expensive just to do an hour and a half tour. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think.
From coast to coast, he spreads his light. A lone rider, a beacon of might.
I will have
side, unity and hope in every eye.
Looking better.